Hello students, I will start with the chapter South America in this video. So this South America is actually a triangular shaped continent that lies almost entirely in the southern hemisphere and also in the western hemisphere. The South America lies completely in the western hemisphere. It is situated towards the west of Africa, crossing the Atlantic Ocean. It has the world's largest river basin, that is the Amazon River Basin. The longest mountain range Andes is present in the South America. Next, the vast tropical evergreen forest is also, that is selva, is present in the in the South America portion. Okay, so this continent came to be known by the people of the world after the discovery by the American and Italian sailor, that is Amerigo Vespucci, and the name has been also given after his name. Okay, so the South America along with the Middle America, then Mexico and Caribbean islands is known as the Latin America. Okay, because why it is known as Latin America, the reason is that in the early 16th century, Europeans people, specifically the Spanish, then Portuguese, were widely used to be in this continent and had developed the ancient language of Latin. Okay, thus South America is located in between 13° north to 55° 59 minutes south latitude, and in between 34° 50 minutes west to 81° 30 minutes west longitude. Okay, this is the longitudinal value, this is the latitudinal value. Okay, about 15% of the total land area of this continent lies in the northern hemisphere and 85% of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Now let us see this in the map, but before going to that, I am going to give a brief idea about the boundary also. So the boundaries of the North America is that almost the South America is almost surrounded by the water bodies like Caribbean Sea, lies to the north, then the Atlantic Ocean in the east or in the northeast portion, then the Pacific Ocean in the west, okay, and the Drake Passage separates South America from Antarctica. Okay, now let us see this in the map. So this is the map of this South America. So you can see this is the South American map. So the South America is a triangulated continent. You can see the shape of the South America is more or less like a triangle, and it lies almostly, you can see this is the 0 degree, that is the equator, that is separating present in the northern hemisphere, northern part of the continent. So you can see that almost maximum portion of the North America is present in the southern hemisphere, and also this continent lies totally in the western hemisphere. Okay, the largest water river basin, that is the Amazon, here lies the Amazon, is present in the South America, along with thus the Andes longest mountain range, and Selva, that is the vast tropical evergreen forest, is present over here. Okay, and let us see the boundaries now. So you can see in the northeastern portion the Atlantic Ocean is present, in the west the Pacific Ocean is present, in the east the Atlantic Ocean is present, and in the south we have the Arctic Ocean, the Drake Passage that separates the South America from the Antarctica. Okay, so this total area of the coast means the total area of the South America broadens from the north towards the south. It is about 7,600 kilometer in the north-south direction and 4,990 kilometer in the east-west direction. Okay, the size of the South America is nearly double the size of the Europe, and it's about 6 times that of the India. So thank you everyone, this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the question next video. South America is also the fourth largest continent of the world, and this continent came to be known as by the people of the world after the discovery of the Americas by an Italian sailor named as the Amerigo Vespucci. And this means based on the longitude, it is extending from 13 degrees. So you can see over here, from here the extension, it is that from 13 degree north to about 59 degrees, 55 degree 59 minutes south. So near about over here this extension, and from based on the longitude it is extending from 34 west. So from 34 west to about 81. So you can see this is 80, it is extending far bit about the 81. So 81 degree 30 minutes west longitude. Okay.